Good morning, everyone. In this class, we will study chapter 3 statement questions. So, let's start. So, what is our first question? This question is on page number 49, exercise 7. So, let's do it. So, what is written over here? It is written Kavya bought 18 boxes of tarts. Means how many boxes of tarts? Kavya bought 18. Suppose one box, two box, three box, four box. In this way, she just bought 18 boxes. Okay, and after this it is written there are 65 tarts in each box. In each box means in this box 65 tarts, like this. In this box also 65 tarts. In this box also 65 tarts. So can you see that in each box Kavya has 65 tarts. So can you see there are 18 boxes and each box is 65 tarts. So how many tarts did she buy altogether? So we need to find out altogether how many tarts. So if we multiply this 65 with number of boxes, then we can find out the total number of tarts, because we can do like this also: 65 plus 65 plus 65 plus 65. How many times we add 65? 18 times. So whenever we add the same number again and again and again and again, we can do multiplication. Why? Because multiplication is what? Multiplication is repeated addition, na? So whenever we just repeatedly add some number, then we can do the multiplication also. So you can see we are just for finding out the how many tarts, we can just add 65 plus 65 plus 65 plus 65. How many times? 18 times. So if we just multiply 18 with 65, we can get the answer. So let's see how we can do this. So tell me, how total number of boxes? 18. So this is why I have written total boxes of tarts is equal to 18. Number of tarts in each box is equal to 65. Number of tarts in each box 65. So we need to find out total number of tarts. How we can do this? We can just multiply these two-digit number. So 18 is also two-digit number and 65 also two-digit number. So how we can find the multiplication of these two-digit numbers? So let's start.
So, for finding the answer of multiplication, what we need to do? We need to multiply first this 5 with 18, this 5 with 18, and then we will multiply this 6 with 18. Okay. So, first start with 5. Why we are starting with 5? Because 5 is at what place? 5 is at 1's place, na? So whenever we do multiplication, we always start from ones place. So multiply this 5 with 18. 8 first. 5 into 8 is what? 5 into 8 is 40. 5 into 8 is 40. So whenever we get two-digit number, we always place the ones digit in the answer and tens digit carry over to next higher place. So in 40, you can see 0 is at what place? 0 is at one space. So this is why I have written here 0 first. Okay, and 4 I have written over 1. Why 1? Over 1 because 4 is a tens digit. 4 is tens digit now. So whenever we just find after multiplication two-digit number, we place the ones digit in the answer and tens digit to carry over to next higher place. Now multiply 5 with 1. 5 into 1 means 5 times 1 is 5 and 4 is carry over. So 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is, yes, 9. This is why I have written here 9. So when I multiply 18 with 5, answer will be what? Answer will be 90. When I multiply 18 with 5, answer will be 90. Okay. Now start multiplying with 6. So tell me, in 65, 6 is at what place? Tens. And place value of 6 is in 65? 60. Place value 60. So whenever we are multiplying with tens digit, whenever we are multiplying any number with tens digit, so what we have to do, we have to place the 0 first. We have to place the 0 first. In this way, we will first write the 0 over here and then we start multiplication. Tell me 6 into 8 is what? 6 8s are, or 6 times 8 is? Yes, 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, answer is 48. So I can write here 48. Okay, so 6 into 8 is 48. So 8 is at what place in 48? 8 is at ones place. So we will write 8 in the answer means at this place, and 4 carry over to next higher place means over 1. So I will write 4 over 1. Now tell me, now we will multiply this 6 means tens digit with 1 because we are done with 8. 6 into 1 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is, count, 7, 8, 9, 10. So right here 10. So why we haven't give this one carry over to next higher place? Because we always write, whenever we get two digit number, we always write 1 to next higher place because 1 is at tens place and 0 in the answer. But can you see the next higher place in this question? No. We don't have any next, when we don't have any higher place, we don't have any hundreds here. So what we will do, we write the 10 as it is. Okay, now for finding out the multiplication of 18 times 65 or 65 times 18, what we will do, we just add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 8 is what? Just keep 9 over here and 8 on fingers. How you can do this? Let's see. 9 over here and 8 on fingers. 5, 6, 5, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now count all of these. 9 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So answer is 17. What we will do, we just write 7 over here and tens place, that is 1, over to next higher place. So now add 1 plus 0 is what? 1, and again at next higher place we have 1, so we will write here 1. So answer will be 1170. So the total number of tarts is equal to 1170. Now we will go to next question. So this question is on page number 49, exercise 7, question 2. Mohan delivers 65 copies of newspaper. So how many copies of newspaper Mohan delivers every day? 65. Okay, how many copies of newspaper Mohan delivers every day? 65. How many copies does he have delivered in 30 days? Means in every day he delivers 65 copies. Means suppose Monday. On Monday he delivers 65. On Tuesday he again delivers 65. On Wednesday again delivers 65. So how many days he covered at all? He covered 30 days. So 65, 65, 65, 65. So how many times you need to write 65? 30 times, na? Only then you can find out Mohan delivers how many copies in all 30 days. So what are you doing here? You are just writing 65, 65, 65 means addition. You are just doing the addition of 65. One day 65, other day plus 65, other day plus 65. So what are you doing? You are just adding all 65, 65. So instead of writing 65 plus 65 plus 65 plus 65, You can do also like this, like 65 times how many days we need to find out? 30. So 65 times 30, isn't it? Because what what is multiplication? What is addition? Addition is what? Whenever we just adding the numbers again and again and again, what we are just getting? We are just getting the multiplication. By the multiplication is what? Multiplication is repeated time addition. Okay. So first we write the statement. Mohan delivers 65 copies of newspaper every day. So we will write copies of newspaper delivered in one day is equal to 65. How many copies does he deliver in 30 days? So number of days. How many days? 30. How many days? 30. So number of copies delivered in 30 days is equal to 65 in 30. 65 multiply 30 or 65 times 30. Now start writing. 65 times 30. So for finding the multiplication of these two number, I already told you na, whenever we are multiplying any number with two-digit number, what we have to do, we have to start from which place? We have to start from ones place. So can you see in 30? Can you see in 30? 0 is at what place? 0 is at what place? 0 is at ones place. So first multiply 0 with 65 and then we will multiply 3 with 65. Okay. So first multiply 0 with 65. 0 into 5 means 0 times 5 is what? 0, because whenever we multiply any number with 0, we get the number 0 itself. Okay. So now multiply 0 with 6. So 0 into 6 is what? 0 into 6 is 0. So we again write 0 over here. Now we are multiplying this 65 with tens digit. The tens digit is 3. Now we are multiplying this 65 with tens digit. That means 3. So whenever we start multiplying any number with tens digit, what we have to do? We have to write the 0 first. We have to write the 0 first. Like this, we have to write 0 first. And then we will start. 3 into 5 is what? 3 multiplication 5. 3 into 5 is what? 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 carry over to next higher place means above 6. Okay. Now multiply 3 with 6. 3 into 6 is what? 3 into 6 is 18. And 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. So we will write here 19. Now start adding these two numbers. So start from one space. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now here we have only 9. So we will write 9 and here we have only 1. So we will write 1. So 1950 is the number of copies delivered in 30 days. I hope is this clear to you? I hope this is clear to you. Yes. So please try to do these two questions and one homework question. Thank you.